Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process on your Dyson SV10, you will need the following tools: a Torx T15 screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Ensure you have a clean workspace to keep your screws organized. Start by unplugging your vacuum and placing it on a flat surface. Locate the battery release button, which is typically found on the back of the unit. Press this button to release the battery compartment cover. If you encounter any resistance, gently wiggle the cover to loosen it. Once the cover is removed, you will see the battery secured by screws. Using your Torx T15 screwdriver, carefully unscrew the two screws holding the battery in place. Set these screws aside in a safe location to avoid losing them. Next, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. It's important to handle the battery with care, as it may still hold a charge. If you have a multimeter, you can check the battery's voltage to ensure it needs replacing. Before inserting the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery compartment. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help ensure a good connection with the new battery. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new Dyson SV10 battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Push it down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws using your Torx T15 screwdriver, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. Once the battery is secured, replace the battery compartment cover by snapping it back into position. Ensure it fits snugly and is properly closed. If you're unsure about any part of this process, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home for convenience, allowing you to avoid the hassle of calls or travel. Before you test your vacuum, it's a good idea to charge the new battery for a few hours. Once charged, plug in the vacuum and turn it on. Listen for the motor and check for any unusual sounds. If everything sounds normal, you're good to go. Remember, if you need a quote before repair, we can assist with that as well. In summary, replacing the battery on your Dyson SV10 can be a straightforward task with the right tools and a little patience. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your vacuum, so make this replacement part of your routine care. Keep your home clean and enjoy the performance of your Dyson vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.